Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the BABYCENTER app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with the in-depth app review about the BABYCENTER. So to get started, the BABYCENTER app is a popular all-in-one pregnancy and parenting tools that offer a week-by-week update, baby's growth tracking, and expert-reviewed articles tailored to your stage. You can log kicks, sleep and feeding, join birth club forum, and access helpful checklists and videos that make navigating pregnancy and early parenting easier. Many parents appreciate how comprehensive it is and praise its high rating on both iOS and Android for ease of use and reliable information. On the downside, some users report that the community forum can be negative or overwhelming, with some occasional drama or unhelpful comment. There are also a privacy concerns since the app collects personal data for ads, and a few users mention minor glitches or missing features like twin-specific tracking. And here's the overall conclusion about the mobile app. So the mobile app is worth it if you want a trusted guidance and tracking in one place, but be mindful of the forum and what personal information you choose to share on the platform. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.